Traxxas Rustler. We're going to have some fun with these today.
Whoa! Whoa, they are Jesus! Oh, watch out! Watch out!
Whoa, Martin, what's going on there?
Unboxing video.
Very nice. Oh, they're off! Whoa! As a sign of my appreciation, I want to gift you this Rustler VXL. That's for you to keep, mate. That is. Give you a battery, everything. Oh yeah! Unfortunately, we had a slight issue with the pinion being a bit too far away from the spur gear. Obviously, it chipped a few of the teeth off of that spur gear. So to fix it, I've had to move it slightly closer to that spur gear, and now it sounds a bit ropey, but it works fine. Whoa! Ooh! There we go. Oh, horse poo! That could have been a lot worse. Martin, I'm absolutely filthy now. Ooh. It's gone, and the red one. What's he done? Look, he's knocked the GoPro into the brook. Look at the state of the GoPro. It's like, oh. Oh, nice. Whoa! Puddle smash. Oh, man down. How do we find it with the Rustler today?
Insane.
Insane.
Insane it was. Crazy speeds, almost uncontrollable at top speed, but 60-mile-an-hour cars in a car park through the woods, absolutely brilliant.
Nice one. Yeah, excellent. Thanks for watching, guys. If you give me that thumbs up and the subscribe, I'll see you next time.